If you've ever found paint stains on your vinyl plank flooring, you know how frustrating it can be. But here's the good news. Whether it's a splash from a DIY paint job, a random spill, or even old dried paint that's been sitting for months, it's fixable. Let's begin with wet paint, because this one's the simplest. The goal here is to lift it off without letting it spread or seep into the seams of your vinyl planks. If it's a small spill, mix a few drops of dish soap into warm water, dip a soft cloth or sponge into the mix, and gently wipe the spot clean. Once the paint is gone, blot again with a dry towel to soak up the soapy residue. If the spill is larger, you'll want to contain it first so it doesn't spread. Place old rags or paper towels around the spill, then use more dry paper towels to soak up as much of the paint as you can. After that, use the same dish soap and warm water solution to gently clean away what's left. Blot the area dry to avoid streaks or water spots. Now let's move on to dried paint. This type of stain bonds tightly to your floor and takes more effort to loosen. Start by moistening the paint with elbow grease. Then, take a plastic scraper or a spatula and gently push under the edges to lift the paint away. Be careful not to damage the floor. For any stubborn bits, dampen a cloth with turpentine or mineral spirits, wearing gloves, and rub it over the paint stain. For any small patches that still remain, spray a tiny amount of acetone-based cleaner and wipe until the stain disappears. Don't forget to test the acetone cleaner on a small hidden area to ensure it won't damage the vinyl. When you're done, wash the area with warm soapy water, rinse with clean water, and dry thoroughly. Now let's talk about specific paints like acrylic or latex. If soapy water doesn't help, you can apply a bit of Goo Gone paint cleanup. Spray on the stain, let it sit for about a minute, then use a cloth to scrub the stain away. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick maintenance tips. Never flood the vinyl floor with water during cleaning, because too much moisture can seep into seams. Use a spin mop to easily get the loose water out of the mop head. Air dry the floor after every cleaning session to avoid streaks. Wipe out spills as soon as they happen by blotting. If stains do form, use vinegar soap solution first and avoid bleach or ammonia-based cleaners. Which cleaning trick worked for you? Tell me in the comments below. And for another helpful cleaning guide, check out this video next.